Welcome to Pattaya, Thailand. Welcome to the beautiful high season here in Pattaya. We are here at the Fairtax studio. Not studio. I mean, it is a Fairtax gym and shop. We are also right next to the Terminal 21 mall. Beautiful blue sky, a little bit of shade. It's not too hot, but it is hot. And in the evening it's nice and a little bit cooler. Pretty nice. Pavement report. You gotta step over things here. Now we're gonna cross the streets and we're gonna walk to Little Germany. Little Germany, Na Klua. Klein Deutschland. We're gonna walk all the way to our weird hotel we took this time because it was pretty tough to get a hotel. All the hotels we usually get were fully booked. Yeah. So this time we actually went to Na Klua. I never stayed in my life in Na Klua, in the north part of Pattaya. I lived in the Wongamat area, but I've never stayed in this one big street. But we will find out what's new there today. Because look at this. If you haven't been here for a few years, this was not here. This McDonald's, all those shops, they were like small little shops and they completely changed everything. So this is what we're gonna check out today. Now we're gonna cross the street. It's very interesting, guys. We're not gonna walk this street, we're gonna walk now this little shortcut and this back alley here. Very interesting. Beautiful.
It's also new, right?
Yeah, I've never seen this before.
No.
I don't know what's that.
Looks like breakfast.
We should check it out though. Let's go. I don't know what's.
Also.
It's a restaurant. Fancy. Look at this. This is everything here is brand new. Look at this beautiful pavement, guys. Great to walk in. They're building new shops here. Wow.
It looks interesting.
Yeah. Watch out, watch out. Bro.
That was. Hey, I'm old man.
Old man, yeah.
I need 5 minutes to realize.
You're old German man. This is the perfect neighborhood for you.
Oh, look at this. It's a kids cafe.
La Ridi Kids Cafe. Okay, interesting. Look at this whole plaza here. Wow. Pattaya is changing a lot. It's not only this nightlife and lady bar thingy that it was. Lots of places are like family friendly and also couples friendly. So the north and the south. It's pretty interesting. This is also a brand new spot here. It wasn't here before, Tops. So they have like a little bit of a mall going on. We're gonna walk through that.
Yeah.
Very interesting, guys. So the supermarket chain Tops, they also bought the Japanese brand, what is it called again? Family Mart. They bought that, so it's Tops Daily now. But this is a Tops supermarket. And then we have an exchange booth here. And then we have, a mobile service thing, a bakery.
And of course, alcohol.
And you can buy wine. Oh, look at this beautiful restaurant here. That's nice. It could get fresh. Oh, look at
Get
this.
fresh.
Look at the eggs and everything. Burritos.
What is the price? 160 baht.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. And it's right opposite of the space. This looks like a space shuttle, but it is also a very futuristic hotel. It looks like a space shuttle inside. This is a parking lot, and they also, watch out man, they also built the Once building here, which will have a bridge to the mall. You remember they said it to us, right?
Yeah, that's what they said.
Look at this, what they're doing there. There are people on the space sign cleaning property. There's also Akara. They have a very stylish rooftop over there.
And also the pool.
Exactly, yeah. Yeah, this is Na Klua, the north part. Lots of Germans here. Lots of German restaurants here. If you want to have authentic German food, this is where you can get it. In this neighborhood here. Akara. And the Barracuda Sky Gala. That's what it is. Very interesting. They also have an ice cream cafe over there. Yeah, this is the best time to come to Pattaya weather-wise, but it is definitely tricky because it's full. There's so many people here. High season, it's crazy. So be aware of that. Hotel prices probably more or like sold out. The good ones, the ones we like. But we tried out this new one. It is okay. There's a big convention. A big convention at the moment, and it's very packed. That's why it's a little bit uncomfortable.
There's the Nachrichtentreff, old Germany. There's some.
Yeah, Nachrichtentreff. This is very old places, probably. Very old places, guys. There's some 420 bars, some normal bars, massages. German Thai group since 1986. Interesting, guys.
That's
So if you ever fancy a currywurst, then you know where to go, guys.
currywurst.
You fancy a currywurst, mate? Yeah, mate. I'm fancying it.
So it's a curry sausage.
Curry sausage, yeah.
Yeah, if you translate it directly, it's curry sausage.
But here, there's also a beer garden, a German beer garden. Our friend Ralph told us one thing one time. He also been to Pattaya often, and when he came to Da Nang the first time, he said, in Da Nang the cars are younger and more modern. It's just like, if there are cars in Da Nang, Vietnam, they are very, very new. Well, let's check out what they have here.
Beer garden?
Okay, English breakfast.
It's October.
Where's the German food, guys? Pizza. Schnitzel. Pesto spaghetti. Where are the knödel? Ah, yeah. Roasted pork shoulder in gravy, Rotkraut, and a dumpling. Nice. Schnitzel. You get all the schnitzels.
Well, you know what I'm not seeing? Currywurst.
They have it, man.
But they have also goulash.
Goulash! Oh, look at this German-style marinated roast beef. Sauerbraten! Yeah!
Wow.
Nice.
Delicioso.
Dude, I'm gonna go there. This is like, if you have Sauerbraten and dumplings, this is what you need in life. Sauerbraten and dumplings. Yes, the kid from the village in Hamburg does not know these things. But if you're a cultured guy from Bavaria, you know that, huh? What?
Because we are eating the good things.
Aha, okay.
Hamburger.
Yeah.
You can ask everyone on the planet who knows. Hey, do you know hamburger? And they say yes.
Okay, okay.
What about food?
All right, guys, we got a pitbull lounge. I feel like there are so many old establishments here. This is also Thai Sausage Meat Supply, TGM, and I see a German flag there.
Yeah. Is it? Maybe it's Schweinedieter.
Maybe it is.
There's a guy, a German guy here in Pattaya.
Yeah.
He names himself Pig Dieter.
Yeah, Schweinedieter. We still have to find him. I think this name is just hilarious. He's a butcher, yeah. Maybe from him we can get the best meat. Yeah, so this street also, you can take the Bat bus, the Songtao, all the way to the north tip and back. But yeah, here you can buy some gold. Marcus, should we buy some gold here? The delivery man here. Yesterday, we saw two white people. I assume they were Russians, but I'm not 100% sure. The two guys was beating each other up here on the street. I was too slow to film it though. You think they were Russians or Germans? I'm not sure.
I think Russians, probably.
I don't know if German would fight each other. Oh, maybe, yeah. It's something Caucasian, but maybe also Slavic. I'm not sure. This is a German guy.
Frankfurt.
Frankfurt, yeah. But yeah, this beautiful blue sky with this clouds, it's just fantastic. I can't wait for the sunset today again. Oh, beautiful. The sunsets in Pattaya are magical. But yeah, we're actually doing a lot of work. We just did an interview. Super interesting dude. He came here with 25 years old. And then he's still here. And it's, how long?
30 years.
Yeah, he's 30 years here. And he just came here for a vacation and yeah, he managed to live here. 30 years. He speaks fluent Thai, like really, really perfect Thai. Yeah, a German guy. German, English and Thai fluently. And then if you really learn a language, you will always find some opportunities. If you know the local language and you speak English and another one, English and German for example, my God. It's also, whenever I have a child and the child speaks fluent German, English and Vietnamese, then no matter what the child can do, if he has a little bit of a loud organ like me, talking a lot, dude, cannot fail in life.
Yeah, it's impossible.
It's you automatically a higher value than anyone else in the market because you speak 3 languages fluently. It's so good to have. I feel like everyone, even if you have, I think Americans are the worst.
Yeah.
They have it the worst because they speak English and they speak English. That's it. You know, this is so bad.
Let's say most of them, but
yeah, I mean,
there's
there
also
are,
Spanish.
Of course, they speak Spanish sometimes, but think about it. You don't have to do anything. You live in America, even if you go to Mexico for vacation, they speak English to you, no problem. But I think every American, even if they cannot learn it anymore, at least put their children into some weird language. Let them learn something funky, you know? Let them learn Vietnamese. It's so difficult anyways, right? If you teach a child Vietnamese in America, dude, you know how awesome this is? The child already has a path he can go to.
Can be.
And there's so many Vietnamese in America anyways. You can always practice. Especially if it's like a Caucasian, fully white child speaks perfect Vietnamese. You know how you can even make a YouTube account of it.
You have a son.
Yeah.
What he can do in other countries.
Oh my God, yeah. Imagine that. Oh my God, yeah, that would be great. Bright and Grind, this is the hotel we're staying this time. Yeah, there's so many rooms. It's okay, the bed is nice, but it's just too big and the convention is annoying. There are many people. There's an Indian convention and an Indian wedding. Oh man, so many people. It's crazy. It's just a little bit too full for me. But as you saw, we just walked from the mall here. So it is a great location. It is quiet. We are a very high floor and we have beautiful beach view.
It's amazing.
Ocean view, great view. tremendous.
And the rooms are pretty good.
The rooms are good, yeah. I can't say anything negative. Just
for how much was it per night?
40,
50 bucks?
46, yeah, $50 US. But yeah, it was the first time I'm staying here in Na Klua. I stayed in Wongamat in an Airbnb for 2 months. But this time here, yeah, it's okay. The most what we do is anyways go to Terminal 21 Mall. We eat there, we meet people there. But yeah, I think next time we're gonna stay in the Villa Germania, the German house in the south of Pattaya in Chomtien. There's a house with 100 apartments full of Germans.
Retired.
Everyone speaks German there. It's just crazy.
And it's very famous in the German media.
Exactly. Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please, guys, like this video. If you're on the not laptop, if you're on the television, go one up, like the video, check out this video, and see you in the next one.